Hey, what's up guys, it's Jonathan here. So in one of my previous videos, I did a review of Stephan's new Bankroll coffee. And in that video, I compared Bankroll's coffee to Peet's and Starbucks coffee as well. And because that video did so well, I decided that we should do another taste and price comparison of two big time YouTubers, Stephan and Emma Chamberlain. So in this video, we're going to do a cost and price comparison of Stephan's Bankroll coffee to Emma Chamberlain's Chamberlain coffee. So as usual, if this video provides you any value, please consider sharing it to a friend. So let's get right into it. So before we go any further, you should probably talk about who these two people are. And most of the people watching this video probably already know who they are, so I'll keep it short. Emma Chamberlain is one of the top vlogging YouTubers out there. She's been on the platform since 2017. She's posted various types of vlogs and amassed a following of 10.5 million subscribers. And when it comes to Stephan, he's basically the king of personal finance on YouTube. He was one of the first YouTubers to make a channel dedicated to personal finance. And in the time span of about 4 years, he's amassed a following of over 3.3 million subscribers. You could say both Emma and Graham are two really big players on YouTube. With that quick summary on who they are, let's now go and unbox the different coffees. So in my review video for Bankroll coffee, I did unbox the Bankroll coffee. So in this video, I'm just gonna unbox Chamberlain's coffee for sake of time. So first things first, let's go get the package. Okay, I finally got this open, so let's check it out. So, okay, boom. There we go. There's Chamberlain coffee. Roasted with love in California. Got the original family blend with the medium, smooth, rich roast. The medium roast, smooth and rich. And let's see, is there any on the back here? Yeah, this is good vibes only. Some more advertising. Pretty nice package, I would say. Pretty comparable to what we got with Bankroll coffee. So it also comes with this card that I'm not gonna show because it has bad words on it. But basically it's just a little pitch for Chamberlain coffee. There's also a return label in here as well, just in case if I need to return the coffee for any reason. So kind of like Bankroll coffee, it's pretty much similar, almost the same packaging. Has a nice little greeting card and everything. For a comparison, here's the Bankroll coffee. They're kind of similar packaging. They both have the little resealable bags. Here from the Chamberlain coffee. Same thing, has a little resealable like Ziploc thing. And yeah, they're both 12 ounces. See, 12 ounces. 12 ounces. And yeah. So there you go. And then side by side. So given that this is a personal finance channel, let's compare prices between the two. So let's start with Bankroll coffee. So initially I bought Bankroll coffee in a 5-pack. And because of that, I got a per bag discount. This per bag discount that I got was about $11 per bag. I decided to go back onto Bankroll Coffee's website and see how much it would cost me if I just bought one bag. And with shipping, it was going to cost me $15.99. Now, with Chamberlain coffee, I didn't buy it in a pack, but I just bought one individual bag. And the one individual bag with shipping cost me $25. So the Chamberlain coffee is about 50% more expensive than the Bankroll coffee. But with coffee, cost isn't the only thing we have to consider. So let's go to my kitchen so we can taste these coffees side by side. Okay, you guys, welcome to my kitchen. So first thing first, we gotta open it. So let's do that. All right, so let's make the coffee now. For me, when I brew coffee, I use the French press. That's my favorite way to brew coffee. Also, another thing as well, you probably noticed me using the coffee filters. So usually if you buy ground coffee, it usually doesn't come as coarse ground, but it comes as fine ground, which is made more for a coffee machine. For a French press, you need more of the coarse coffee grounds. And because I don't have a coffee grinder, the way I circumvent that issue is I just buy these little filters, so I could just use those instead. So there's a couple things I wanted to point out there. Okay, so I finished making both of these coffees, so now let's try it. So first I'll start off with the Bankroll coffee version. And let's first start off by smelling it. Has kind of a nutty smell to it. Smells pretty good. Let's taste it. Tastes pretty good. Pretty good flavors there. So now let's try the Chamberlain coffee. So as usual, let's start by smelling it. Smells about the same. Has that same nutty smell to it. So now let's try it. They basically taste the same. Like I wouldn't be surprised. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if they came from the same roaster. They taste exactly the same. There's like no difference between the two. So when it comes to taste department, I think they're literally at a dead even tie. I don't really think one is better than the other. So given the price difference between the two coffees, in my opinion, I would pick Bankroll Coffee over Chamberlain Coffee. And don't get me wrong, Emma Chamberlain's an amazing creator and she's an amazing YouTuber. But I think when it comes to the flavor of the coffee, they're both pretty much the same. So the only thing we could really look at is price. And when it comes to price, Bankroll Coffee obviously beats on this one. So if you guys are interested in either one of these coffees, I encourage you to check it out. This video is not sponsored by Bankroll Coffee or Chamberlain Coffee. So I didn't get paid to make this video. So this is my true honest opinion of these two different coffees. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and sharing this video with a friend. Also, if you like my perspectives and the way I explain things, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Have you guys gotten a chance to try both? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, follow me on all my social medias. I try to post there every day. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.